11th one, write a Python program to print all distinct values in a dictionary of a list here. Okay. So take this input here. List in this so many dictionaries are there. So we have to retrieve these values and we have to find the distinct values. Okay. So for this we have to convert first this the distinct values into list and then to set. Okay. Set eliminate duplicates. Okay. Simple one. First we have to retrieve these values. How you retrieve these values? We'll see. First we will take this input here. Okay. We'll take this input and copy. Okay. Okay. First input here and check the length of the dictionary here. So just n is equal to length of the list here. Okay. Length of x simple. Okay. Check how much length print n. Execute 7. Okay. Because 7 dictionaries are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So iterate through these 7 dictionaries. How you iterate? First you take empty list here. Y is equal to empty list because the distinct values have to store in this list here. Okay. And so so retrieve up to this length of the dictionary. How you retrieve this length of dictionary? Use for loop here. Okay. Simple. For I in range of 1. You know how to retrieve to list here. So I want to explain again. N here. Okay. So length here. N is length here. And length repeat again for loop here. So check what's the output will be down here. Print I. What I value will be. Check out what the I value will be. So 370. Okay, the I value will be the range here. Okay. I value will be the range 0 to 6 here. Okay, I value will be the range. Suppose if you want to retrieve this dictionary, so what we'll do, just use x of I. Simple. So I want to list. I want to retrieve each value of this list. So what is the value here? Dictionary. So I want to retrieve this dictionary. For that we have to use here x of I. We call it as x of I. Okay. So I want to retrieve these values now. 0102, 01, 05, 09, 7. I want first retrieve these values. These values from the dictionary. How you retrieve these values dictionary? Again use for loop simple to retrieve these dictionaries. For uh, j in x of I dot values. Okay, to retrieve values, for j of x of values. Okay, so just append. Just it's simple. Append to the list here. This list here. How you append to the list? Just y dot append j. Simple. Okay. So now check what's the value of y now. Print of y. Obviously list here. See what 0102, 0105. We got the list now. We got the list now. But I want distinct values. Okay. I don't want repeated values here. I want distinct values. So for that you have to convert this list into set. So for that it's just simple. Z is equal to set of I. Simple. To convert into list just into set of I. Now print Z here. Simple. Print Z. Observe here. We got distinct values. And also observe in set set is another list here. Okay. So order would maintain here. If you execute again, the output will be in different position here because sets are not ordered. Lists are ordered, but sets are not ordered here. Okay. But it will eliminate duplicate values. It will return distinct values for set. Okay. Simple.